On y'all's thumb was still not CNC. How do you find out the distances between the screw ports if you don't have documentation on this PSU, this power supply unit? I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, so I know these are M4 screw holes, and what we're going to take is a digital caliber. Make sure it's 0. We're going to come across here. I like to push outwards with my fingers. It's going to give you a positive number, 54.16, so we know it's going to be 54. If you do it inwards, and for an example, it's going to be 53.25, you're going to be like, oh, it's 53. No, go with the larger number, 54, and then half the screw diameter. One whole screw will give you the radius of both of these starting points, so it's going to be 50 in between. So the exact point is 50.